Do you ever feel a clutter in your mind? Many thoughts are running in your mind, feeling overwhelmed, feeling stressed, feeling anxious, some negative thoughts, many ideas. If you are feeling any of these, journaling can help you to remove all this clutter, to help to achieve your goals, help to implement your ideas, help in resolving anxiousness, anxiety, negative thoughts, each and everything. Journaling can help in that. The reason why I am telling journaling can help you, because I am practicing journaling from last many years, and like few months I am practicing in a very regular basis to organize my thoughts, to declutter it, to help me to gain confidence, help me to remove all those negative noises, little voices. So journaling can help me. So people think, what is journaling? Somehow they are thinking that, okay, we just have to write and this is journaling. No, it is not just like that. Journaling सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि आपने लिखना शुरू कर दिया. Some person journal in such a way that whatever comes in their mind, they just write it. Some person organize their thoughts in mind itself and then they'll write it in a proper way, so that if they have to go through it, they'll know what to do, what not to do. So organizing thoughts in their mind and then rearranging that and then putting on paper. Rearranging doesn't mean ki full stop, negative, exclamation mark, all the grammatical things. No, it is not organizing. It's just we are thinking and we are structuring in such a way that when we read it, it comes very clear. We get the correct information. So journalings can be of any type. We can create goal journal, we can create gratitude journal, we can create affirmation journal. If we write free scripting, conscious writing, so there is lots of journaling. And the myth that people have in their mind related to journaling is that we just have to write and we don't have that much time. If you are a person who don't have time to write a long para or many pages, 2-3 pages, that what you can do, you can create a one-liner journal for yourself, one word journal for yourself, so that you know, okay, this is the thing that I have to focus on. You can just pen it, write it. So you can also do it. Like if I am working somewhere, or if I have a thought, if I am doing prayer, meditation, and somehow, and after completing the meditation, if I feel that, okay, I have to do another work, and if the idea can be slips from my mind, I can just record the statement or record the topic, and it's helped me to know that, okay, what I have to work on, what not, and this is the thing that I have to put focus more on. इस चीज़ पे मुझे काम करना है, इस चीज़ पे पढ़ना है, इसके बारे में पता लगाना है, या इस पे इंफॉर्मेशन देनी है, वॉटेवर, उसको मैं अपने व्हाट्सएप पे अपने आप को वॉइस नोट सेंड कर लेती हूँ या मैसेज सेंड कर लेती हूँ. इफ़ आई कैन राइट इट. सो देयर आर many things that we can journal it. We can do one word, we can do full sentences, we can do paragraphs, whatever it is. Then how journaling helps me, how journaling help another person, how journaling helps my client is that, like, I am writing, and because I love writing, I write a long paragraph including lots of pictures, including lot of emoticons, bold letters, colorful. So if you want to see my latest today's journal, it looks like that. Okay, And again, whatever I want to tell to myself, I can just write it in a bold letter, I can color it. If something is important, I can underline it. So this is the way we have done in our school notebooks or books, important things, that I can do the same. It helps me if I have to go through it. It helps me to okay, this is important, and I can put more focus on. One thing that people oftenly ask me ki journaling, you can say journaling, through journaling I can remove my negative part, through journaling I can improve my positive part, I can enhance my positive part. How it is possible? If we are doing, if we are writing both things. So the main thing is, if we are writing negative things, whatever comes in our mind, then we don't have to go through it again and again. But if we are writing a positive things in our mind, whatever comes in our mind, ki I have a goal, I have a vision, I have to do certain things, I am confident, I am creative, and I am important, I am powerful, I am mindful, I am grateful, like kind of affirmation. Or you can set goals for yourself, that these are two, three things that I want to do. Every day, if you are doing the certain things, it signals in your mind that this is important and this is how I act. Your action, your emotion, plus your thoughts creates your personality. एंड आप जिस तरह से काम कर रहे हो, जिस तरीके से सोच रहे हो, आपके इमोशंस कैसे हैं वैसे आपके थॉट्स होंगे, आपके थॉट्स कैसे हैं वैसे आपके एक्शन होंगे, आपके एक्शंस कैसे हैं वैसे आपकी पर्सनालिटी डेवलप होती जाएगी. सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर, दिस इज द थिंग दैट हाउ journaling helps you to improve yourself, to improve the positive part, to decrease the negative part, or to remove the negative part. It is not like you have to suppress it. No, you don't have to suppress it. You have to release it. And releasing will take time. जैसे आपको हैबिट बिल्ड करने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है, किसी नेगेटिव हैबिट को ख़त्म करने में, रिलीज करने में भी टाइम लगता है. सो फ्रॉम मंडे आई एम डूइंग 5-day free workshop. 5-day free workshop on journaling, where I am giving you prompts every day, and in that workshop you have to write it about the prompt, what is like related to it. Can be related to yourself, it can be related to your health, mental health, your ideas, your goal, whatever it is. So it helps you to gain clarity about yourself, about maybe you can get a good idea, maybe you can figure out that what is not working for you, maybe you can get idea what works for you. So join that workshop. It's totally free. 5-day workshop, Monday to Friday, and it is at 3 p.m. in the evening. I'll share the group link. You can join the WhatsApp group, where I can tell you how you can go through all these things. You can get the joining the Zoom link as well, and if you want, you can also ask your friends, ask your relative to join this workshop. It's totally free, no charge, and it's a 1-hour workshop. Every day you will get something that you never think about. Because I am doing it and I am helping with my clients, I also know that yes, this will help you as well. So join my 5-day workshop. I'll share the link, WhatsApp link, in the description below, as well as I'll also share the link in my story every day till Sunday, so that you can join it. Ask your friends, just join, feel, get clarity, get transformation, and help others, so that they can also feel that yes, your knowledge will help them, your knowledge will get help to transform others, and it will help me as well, so that every time I'm doing workshops, somehow I'm getting more knowledge, somehow I'm getting more bulbul moments from your stories. So join me on Monday at 3 p.m. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.